Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. And you?
What is your name?
Yes, I'm Parvendra Kumar.
That's
And
great. And my name is Jia Maurya.
okay,
I'm
nice to
from
meet you, Jia Maurya.
UP in Basti.
Yeah, I'm from also Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, you're from UP. Okay.
Yeah, you
In
can
which
say that
district?
UP. Yeah, you can say that UP.
Okay, right. But which district you are live in UP?
So you know district Bijnor.
Okay, Visno district. That's
So
great. Nice to
I
meet
live in
you.
a district. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so tell me about the family.
Yeah, my family is fantastic, and I have a one sister and one brother, and both of us he is younger than me.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah,
And
my
you know,
father
also
is.
my family is absolutely fine, and I have 4 members in my family: my parents, and I have one sister. And
Okay. Yeah, I have a one. I have a. I yeah, I have a. You can say that I have father and mother,
okay, that's
and my
right. You
father
have
named is.
parents.
Yeah, I have a parents. You can say.
Okay, so what is your profession?
Yeah, actually, my profession. Actually I am a student. I am a student. You can say that I am a student, and I am pursuing BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management. I am hotelier student. So
Very nice. That's great.
So just I want to improve my English. You know very well. And that time nowadays COVID-19 is going on. So just improve. Just I have a time. So just I want to improve my English.
So you want to learning English with me?
Yeah, sure.
That's great. So tell me about your hobbies.
Yeah, my hobby is riding bicycle, and listening song. Yeah, I like old songs, but I have to need English song. But nowadays I listening English song, and something pronunciation according to sound. Oh, according to songs. That's why. Just whenever you started something and you have to need slowly. So just I want to improve my English. First of all, I started grammar, prepositions, models, but nowadays I have already complete, and nowadays I'm practice with other
You know,
person
you
and
have a great hobbies. And if we talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading, writing, talking with friends, and playing, and sometimes dancing and singing, and sometimes
okay.
also make video.
But I don't like dance actually. I don't like dance. I like traveling, reading, and listening song and creating a new and
Okay,
something I
nice.
want to learn.
So you were using Talk Now?
Yeah, I using nowadays. Actually, this Talk Now app is a free of cost, but many people like according to wrong way. You know
Yeah,
very well,
right.
and many people cutting your
And
call and
this app is making for only talking with English conversation, but some people using only time pass.
yeah, but many people time pass. Yeah, you are right.
Yeah.
But yeah, nowadays I have a many groups of spoken English, but the WhatsApp group. So I have many confident of conversation with other friends.
Okay, so do you want to improve your English by any another app?
Not. Actually, I have already told you. I have a many group of WhatsApp.
Okay, nice.
According to WhatsApp, I have a many friends.
Nice. So tell me, how old are you?
You know, actually, I am 18 years old. And
Okay,
you?
you are 18 years old. And I am 11 years old.
Oh, you are younger than me.
Yeah, I am younger than you. So tell me, how many friends have you?
Yeah, actually, I have a many friends, but you know very well, true friend is never. So actually, I have a many friend.
So your
I have
friends
a many,
don't know English?
but my friend don't speak in English, but he speak always Hindi. But actually, you know very well, I live in a village, so that's why a lot of people in around me, but speak in Hindi.
Okay, right. So you can practice with me in speaking English.
Yeah. But you know, actually, you can say that I have already talked to you in before 3 months ago, but that time, you know, I have not confident and I can't speak. But right
Yes.
now, you know, yeah, I
You
can
know,
speak little more better.
first time if we are talking with anyone, so we have many hesitation, and when we are talking continue that person, so I have no hesitation.
Yeah, you are right. You know, whenever you do, you know, other person, yeah, this is he belongs to in this country and this village, so you don't hesitate. But you know,
Yes, so you
whenever
know,
you,
if you thinking you are believe in yourself, so you never give up.
yeah, you know very well, confident is very important for your life.
Yes.
Be,
So you
without
want to make
confidence,
a channel?
sorry,
You want to make a channel on YouTube?
yeah, I have already talked to you. I have a YouTube channel.
That's great. So what's your channel name?
Yeah, my channel name is spoken by Parvendra Kumar. You can search and
Right. So on that channel, what want you do? Any education videos uploaded or any
yeah, education,
conversation?
yeah, conversation also, and I will teach related to grammar.
That's great. You have a
But
great
you
thinking.
know, whenever you start with something new, so you have a lot of problem and you are facing many problems. So, but yeah, you know, I am facing many problems. You know very well. Nowadays it is very hot, and today is also hot.
All right.
Yeah, so I am facing many problems, but yeah, it is okay. But whenever you start with something new, so
Listen
you
to
are
me. When you want to make videos, only you. So in 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening, you make video. Because of this, I'm saying, and this time is your video is very good that time.
okay. But you know, I think on face to face on whiteboard, so it is, and that time light is not coming.
Yes, yes. But you can go anywhere for making your video.
But yeah, I'm teaching only face to face and standing by the board, whiteboard.
Okay.
But
So
you know,
you can't tell
yeah.
me what's your family profession? I mean your parents' profession.
Oh, sorry. I don't understand what you want to say. Can you repeat?
Okay. What do your parents?
My parents actually, you know, my mother is a homemaker and my father is a farmer.
That's the same because of my father is also a farmer and my mother is a housewife.
And my mother is a homemaker.
Yes, yes,
That-
homemaker. That's right.
yeah.
The god of our house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you have any
So you
question?
are continue using Talk Now or not?
Yeah, I'm continuing using this app, but nowadays I'm not talking to Talk Now app.
Okay, right.
Yeah, but when I was started in a Talk Now app is very important for me. You know, whenever you can connect other people, but that person you don't know, and you don't know that person, but you can talk and not hesitate, and but you can talk.
You know,
But you,
first time we need application for speaking English, and that time I find Talk Now, and that's after continue I am using Talk Now. But now I have a Speakler app, and I'm talking on Speakler app, and that's I think a good app for speaking English.
okay.
Yeah.
So you know, confident is a very important. Every
Yes.
person in every
Confident is
person
a
life.
very important. Also, believe in yourself is also very important.
But you know, without confident, we can't survive.
We can't anything do.
Yeah, we can't anything do.
Yeah.
But if you have a confidence, you can do anything. But you
Anything.
have a knowledge. Yeah, you have a knowledge, but you don't have a confidence. But you can't
Yeah.
show your but you can't show your knowledge.
You are
It
a
is
great
not good.
person, and I think in your life you absolutely become anything.
Yeah. So
So,
nowadays
okay,
you
nice to talk to you today.
thank you.
And this is
Nice to talk.
a first time of talking to you with very great pleasure.
Okay, thank you. My
Okay,
pleasure and
bye.
nice to
Take
talk to you.
care. Until next time.
Thank you. Bye bye.